prep vlogs. Here, what we have planned is an amazing meal prep system designed for Indian kitchen. Everything that we're using is for people who live in India, who like Indian flavors, everything that makes your job easy. So yeah, I hope you will be able to save a lot of your time. And if you really want to know how I do meal prep so effectively week by week and how to learn it, you can try my book, which is newly launched. This is designed for Indian kitchen. So you all know about it. If you have been already following me on Instagram, you know that meal prep for Indian kitchen has been there under consideration since like last 1.5 years. And when I was looking for a good meal prep solution for Indian kitchen, there were no books out there, there was no content out there. So it was very difficult for me to come up with a strong meal prep system every week that effectively. So I decided to incorporate all this knowledge, all the right kind of storage timelines of different Indian foods, and how to make your life simple. I've seen women spend hours and hours in kitchen. So this book really helps you save a lot of your time every week, and it makes sure that you live a healthy life and have a lot of time to spend it on things that you really love. So it just not makes your life healthy, but it improves the quality of your life as well. So yeah, I think this book has everything that you need. Some facts, some in-depth content that you will help you be a healthier and a better individual, not just for you but for your family as well. I have covered it all, and I think each and every woman and men in this country need this. So yeah, you can find the link to order this book in my description box below. And now let's quickly get started with today's weekly meal prep vlog. To do an effective meal prepping, the very first and important step is to plan and pre-prep, which you do a day before the actual prep day. So if you are doing your preparation on Sunday, this is what you need to do on Saturday, right? All your carbohydrates, protein, fats, fiber for the day that you're going to enjoy for the entire upcoming week in quantity. If you need my help with that, you can obviously check out the book link or approach me for one-on-one coaching. Step 2 is when you start preparation. Now we start with boiling our vegetables, legumes, grains, and all of the things which needs to be boiled while we are preparing for other tasks. So I have boiled potatoes, broccoli, cauliflower, peanuts, quinoa, chickpeas, all of that together on different stoves, so that meanwhile I can chop my vegetables. Now this time actually helps us manage things better, because while you have kept the things to be boiled, you can actually chop the vegetables and make other things ready for us to move to the next step. Now next step is starting the preparation of base components. Now base components are the components which you can assemble during the week to make the full meal. We are not preparing the entire meal, we are just preparing certain components of the meals that we are going to use in the upcoming week. Like here I am preparing coconut milk. Now coconut milk, we take the fresh coconut and then grate the inside shell, the important fat that we get from coconut. We blend it and keep the leftover coconut desiccated, stored whenever required. We can use it for chutneys or batters and whatnot. So just keep it in an airtight container and to be stored in refrigerator. Either you can store it in refrigerator in an airtight glass container or in a deep freezer in a Ziploc bag. Here I have also boiled my vegetables, kept it in Ziploc bag, frozen in a deep freezer. So whenever I want to prepare soup recipes or salads, I can use them directly. Next we are preparing herbed paneer. We take 1 liter of milk, add some herbs, garlic, salt and vinegar. You can also use lemon, but I prefer vinegar, and just take it off in just seconds. Make sure that you keep the flame off while you are putting the vinegar, so that paneer comes out to be soft. Now this leftover water is extremely nutritious. It has so many amazing electrolytes along with protein, so don't waste it. Keep the paneer set for about 15 to 20 minutes and you will be ready with the most amazing paneer. And the leftover water, which is whey water, Store it in an airtight glass container to be used for the next 5 to 7 days very easily. And yes, then we move on to make a beetroot hummus for additional protein to our salad recipes and wraps. We add beetroot, which should be steamed so that it's easily blended with chickpeas, ice, some garlic and sesame seed. Also add some olive oil for that extra taste. Top it with some sesame seeds and olive oil, and you are ready with the most amazing protein addition to your salads and wraps. Next important base is onion tomato gravy, where we blend onions and tomatoes after having boiled it for about 5 to 7 minutes in microwave, or you can also pressure cook them. Blend it well together. Meanwhile, we have our potatoes ready. Store it in airtight container. They also are peanuts in an airtight container, some of which we are going to use in preparing our full meals today, some of which we can use as components in the coming days. So yes, once your vegetables are boiled, like your onion and tomato, we are going to blend it with some salt and red chili powder, little bit of mints for that additional taste and flavor. Then we are going to saute it with little bit of an oil and store it in a glass container for 7 days very easily, so that on the go you can prepare your vegetables or pastas. You can just take this gravy, add your vegetable to it, chickpeas or a very interesting vegetable or dumpling that we are going to make today. Also you can add your pastas and you will be done. Next we prepare the important protein dumpling for this particular week, where we add 3/4 cup of besan and a 1/4 cup of soy flour. Then we add ajwain, red chili powder, little bit of oil, jeera, and all of your Indian spices. Mix it well and knead a dough. Then we are going to boil this in hot boiling water. Now this we also call gatta in Rajasthan. You have to make it and roll it into yummy tasty dumplings. They really turn out to be amazing, and you can freeze them in a deep freezer for about a month, and you can keep it in refrigerator for 5 to 7 days easily. These protein rich dumplings can be added to your gravies and enjoy as vegetables throughout the week. Next we prepare, and a very important step in our meal prep is the full meal preparation. So we prepare 2 salad boxes and some snack boxes to be portioned throughout the week. Now here the salad boxes, we are adding some lettuce, some cucumbers, our boiled chickpeas and peanuts, tomatoes, and making a dressing where we use olive oil, garlic, red chili powder, salt, lemon, and mix it well together. We keep this salad box ready to be eaten on the go throughout the week. So now you can keep it in refrigerator for about 3 days. So you have to ensure that you enjoy these salads like in the beginning of the week instead of later part of the week, because we have prepared the entire salad. Next we have prepared these snacks which you can enjoy throughout the week. We are making 5 to 6 boxes of them. Boiled peanuts, makhana, some puffed rice, some flattened rice. Mix it well together, added some oregano seasoning, oil, and air fry them. I can tell you, when you portion your snacks well and you know that you can only eat one box at a particular time, you're not going to get out of control. It actually helps you portion control your snacks better, which plays a vital role in your weight loss journey. So this is one of a great hack as well in order to lose weight. So snack it and prepare it well in advance. Portion it in such a way that you eat just one box every day. Next we make this gut healthy probiotic drink. We added boiled beetroot with water, some mustard seed powder, salt, lemon, and some yogurt. Now this naturally ferments and is a great probiotic drink that you can enjoy for 5 to 7 days. Next and the last important box is our dessert box, which I know that all of you love a lot. So we add avocado, 1 or 2 scoops of whey isolate, some dark chocolate which has no added sugar. Mix it well together and your dessert box will be ready. Here we've also added some vanilla extract for that extra punch. Top it with some walnuts or pecans, and your dessert box, after being refrigerated for about 2 to 3 hours, will be one of the most amazing things to be taking care of your sweet cravings in the coming week. Now the dumplings that I told you, they look like this. You add this to your onion tomato gravy that we prepared, and your vegetable for that particular day will be ready in like 5 minutes. This is how you can use your interesting soy dumplings. Next, we prepare these frozen candies with coconut water and chia seeds to keep you hydrated in the summer season. We just mix coconut water and some chia seeds and froze them well together, so people who are not able to have coconut water daily.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you will like it. This was about today's amazing system that we have built. I hope you liked it, and if you want to be a part of our exclusive WhatsApp community where we share weekly meal prep guides with details of all the macros and the quantities, calories, protein, so that weekly you are able to manage your meal prep system very effectively, then you can find the link to join that WhatsApp community in the description below. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you will find that useful. Stay fit, stay happy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon along so that you never miss any update. That's it. Bye-bye.